this is the last answers for the last section. I'm going to talk you through a couple of the answers because they're a little bit tricky, and I want to see if you could get them without any help first of all. Okay. So again, as you can see, there's pieces missing from each section, so you have to use those pieces to try and make up any complete holes you can. Okay. So I'm going to use these two pieces to fill in these two to give me two complete holes, and then I've got one left over. I've used up those, and so that one's not in it. Okay, so I've got two holes, 1/3. The improper fraction is 7/3 because there's 7 little pieces and it's split into 3 sections. Okay. Second one and the third one, a little bit tricky. I wanted to see if you could get it right without me explaining it first. Okay. So again, there's pieces missing from each section, so you have to use it to make up complete holes. So I'm going to use these two pieces to make up these two. Give me one. I'm going to use these two pieces to fill in this piece and this piece. Okay, so I've used up all these pieces here. I've got one hole at the front, one hole here, one hole here, which gives me 3. It's not a fraction, but you will get questions like this where it will give you a whole number and not a fraction. Okay, so that is all you need to put for that. Okay, you don't need to write a fraction down to say 0/4. You just put the whole number, and the improper fraction for that is 12/4. Same for question 3. So pieces missing, I'm going to use these 4 pieces to fill in these 4 gaps to give me 2 complete holes, and I've used up all this, so I don't need it, so there's only 2. Again, you don't need to write the fraction, and the improper fraction is 10/5. Okay, so I'll speed you up for the last 2. Mixed is 2 and 4/6. The improper is 16/6. Last question is mixed 1 and 1/4. And the improper fraction is 5/4. Okay, if you struggle with that, go back and try the first 2 sections again, and just to build up your knowledge.